So last and probably least, the Brüel Kjær phase delay unit type 6202. This I believe is used for measuring the phase response of loudspeakers. It's used in conjunction with a phase meter. A reference signal is fed into the loudspeaker from an amplifier and then picked up by a microphone some distance from the speaker, and then the phase meter is connected to the speaker and the microphone, and it shows the phase difference. But because there's a time delay between the sound leaving the speaker and arriving at the microphone, you put this thing in the path from the reference signal to the phase meter to account for that time for the sound to get to the microphone, thus being able to compare apples with apples, or something like that. I hope there's not a lot of fringing in the video. There is on the LCD of the camera, but anyway. So the reference signal goes into the power amplifier and into the speaker, but also into this phase delay unit and the phase meter, and then the microphone picks up the signal from the speaker, amplifies it and supplies that to the phase meter as well, and the results are recorded over here. And the phase delay unit compensates for the time it takes the sound to get from the speaker to the microphone. That's it, pretty simple. Anyway, a quick look inside. I might not even bother taking the rest of it off. You can see in there pretty well. I think those chips up the back. Actually, I will take this. I'll take this top off. That's a bit better. We can see inside it now. I believe these chips here are some sort of charge coupled delay line. So a signal comes in one end and gets shifted along and pops out the other end, delayed by whatever you set on these front panel controls. I don't know if there's some sort of A to D converter, or perhaps they work in an analog fashion. I'm not sure. I think they do. I think they actually transfer an analog signal along a whole bunch of capacitors. I'm not sure what limits you can get to, but it can compensate for up to 3 meters distance between the speaker and the microphone by the look of it. Milliseconds, so 8.7 milliseconds is the most that can delay. Yeah, alright. Quick and dirty, wasn't it? Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Catch you later.